Hi everyone, this is Lori, your lovely Lori, your princess of positivity, just coming in with a little video for you guys. I became aware of another law of the universe that I had never heard of, and I really like it. And I thought, after hearing about this, and I'll post the channel that I saw the video, I'll post a little video right here so that you can check it out. But it's called the Law of Liberty. And what it talks about is the idea that in your life, when you want to manifest change, what we're supposed to do is ignore our reality. And part of ignoring your reality is when you feel yourself as being trapped in a situation or in a job or in a relationship or in a loop of negative thinking or anything where you find yourself repeatedly doing something or being trapped by something, you can change the way your brain is structured in the way that you see yourself as free in your mind. And it takes a little bit of work in being very specific about how you feel trapped and then living in your mind in the way you want to be living. So it's a little bit of inner work to be done, but it's worth it completely. So I'm a high school teacher and I have a class that's very demanding. In fact, I was stuck after school today because I had to fill out an incident report because one of the kids, I guess through roughhousing, I don't know what they did. I don't know. They hurt themselves. But I had to do an incident report. And basically every day somebody's at the office. And I don't like that. I don't want it to be like that. I feel a lot of resistance. I teach geography to these students. And I want them to, I don't want to feel trapped in that. And I do. I feel like I'm stuck. I'm stuck with these kids so I'm using this law of liberty to untrap myself. And I can either get untrapped as in not be a teacher in my mind, or I can get untrapped where in my mind, it's not bad. It's a nice place to be. It's a classroom of kids who want to be there. It's a classroom of kids who want to learn, and I don't feel trapped. So that's, I think, the direction I'm going to go with it, is that I'm going to put my most positive intention towards this group of kids. I'm going to give them, like in my mind, all the love I can. I'm going to come at them with the best lessons I can. And in reality, I'm going to mirror that. So I just want to share that with you, this law of liberty. There's other ways I'm going to use it as well. And I'd love to know if you guys have ever heard of it. If you, please leave a comment. I'd love to know more about the law of liberty. Comment, yes, I have heard of it. No, I haven't heard of it. And, you know, maybe how you've used it in your life. Okay, so I mean, that's all I'm going to say about it for now. And I post the link, and I promise this would be short. So guys, I love you and have a great day. Please give this video a like if it resonated with you at all, and subscribe for more insight. I love you guys, and hey, be positive.